Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That big push down does make it look like the wave 5 is over, but looking at all the yen pairs and even all the dollar pairs, I still think there's a pretty good chance that this could just keep on drifting up and that this high right here may actually be taken out. That could just continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I mean, this was a very big push down, as you can see, but it never broke any structure. It never really made a lower high or did anything to make us believe that this big uptrend is over. I am actually still a big believer that the more likely probability chance is that this will just continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I'm still looking at this. I try to always look at things on both sides of the coin, and I'm still looking at this as possibly being a wave A, this possibly being an A, B, C, or B. If we get a Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, that's what's going to prove to me that it really is a wave B and that we really are going back down for a wave C. Now, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short in any big ways unless I saw this picture right here because, like I was explaining on the higher time frame, I think there's a chance it could continue to make higher lows, higher lows. Maybe it will bounce off fib levels on its way up, but I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So unless I see evidence that this really is the end of a correction with that break of structure, looking something like this, at one of these fib levels, which really it could be any one of them, then I am definitely going to continue to look for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, notice how this made a higher low, and now it looks like it's continuing back up. It did bounce off a fib level, but it never broke structure. I am still going to continue to look for longs, like I said, unless I see that evidence on the daily, maybe 4 hour time frame that this move up is over. I think the best chances for us to have good risk to reward trades is to look for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation possibly of the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was actually a pretty clear correction. The entry was technically on Friday, but look at the nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. 1, 2, 3 up with a break of structure. Wave B. Nice impulsive move down. Wave C, right 2 to 61.8. Nice impulsive move to the upside. Nice big engulfing candle at a Fibonacci level. After making 3 waves down, it was actually almost a perfect entry to go long. And you could definitely still be long. I don't really see any reason to think that this is over. And like I said, I do think that it's more likely that it will go up and take out these highs and probably just keep on trending up unless that daily, maybe 4 hour time frame gives us evidence that this really is going down with that break of structure like I was explaining. I would definitely continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.